Good morning, students. Today we are going to familiar with some MCQ questions from our half-yearly portions. Let's start. Familiar with some MCQ questions from the chapters Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. The first question, which of the following is not a metal? We have four options: copper, sulfur, aluminium and iron. We know that copper, aluminium, iron are metals. Sulfur is a non-metal. So here the answer will be sulfur. Sulfur is the non-metal. Next question. The substance that will be flattened on beating with a hammer is. Here we have options: crystal of iodine, lump of sulfur, piece of coal, zinc granules. The first three options are non-metals. We know that the non-metals are not show the property malleability. When a substance that will be flattened on beating with a hammer is the property malleability. It show only metals. So here the answer will be zinc granules. Zinc granules is a metal. So answer will be zinc granules. Next question, which of the following is a non-metal? Here we have four options: iron nail, aluminium wire, copper plate and piece of coal. We all know the answer. Piece of coal is a non-metal. The others are metals. Next question, which of the following is not a ductile material? We know that the metals are show the property ductility. Here silver, copper, sulfur and aluminium are the options. We know that from this sulfur is a non-metal. So the non-metal will not show the property ductility. So sulfur is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? It's a property malleability. We know that only metals are show the property malleability. Here in these options, zinc, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen, zinc is the only metal show. So zinc show the property malleability. Next question, which of the following react with the cold water vigorously? We know the sodium is a highly reactive metal from these options. So sodium is the correct answer. Sodium will react with the cold water vigorously. Next question, the metal which produce hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide solution. Here we have options: copper, iron, aluminium and sodium. Here aluminium is the only metal that react with both acid and base. Here we know that dilute hydrochloric acid, it's a acid, and a sodium hydroxide solution is a basic solution. So aluminium is react with both acid and base. Next question, which of the following non-metal react and catches fire on exposed to air? Here we have four options: phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur and hydrogen. These are the non-metals, but phosphorus is the non-metal, react and catches fire on exposed to air. So the answer will be phosphorus. Phosphorus is the correct answer. The last question, the solution of which of the following oxides in water will change the color of blue litmus to red? The answer will be sulfur dioxide. It show acidic property, so it change blue litmus into red. So we discussed some MCQ questions from half yearly portion. So all should study the questions very well. It will be very important questions. So all should clearly watch. Thank you.